One dataset, unlimited uses. iBot's confined space capabilities provide clients with an intuitive indoor inspection experience. What typically takes days or weeks of planning and life-risking inspections, can be completed by drones in just minutes. In those hard-to-reach spaces, our specially trained drone pilots provide you with data to inspect and monitor assets from the comfort of your office. Data analysis provides the ability to annotate, measure, and map areas of interest. Inspection reports can be generated from the data captured during our flight operations. Confined space drones are designed to fly in dark, inaccessible spaces, and are uniquely equipped to gather high-quality visual data. The use of a collision-tolerant drone eliminates the need for extensive paperwork and permits typically required to inspect confined spaces. Our platform is the perfect fit for piping, sewage lines, silos, and tanks. Fitting into areas as small as 16 inches in diameter, we are seamlessly working with engineering firms and capital asset project teams, meeting the highest industry standards. Let us prove 7 to 10 times ROI on any upcoming UAS confined space inspection. Reach out to us today to learn how to integrate confined space capabilities on your next project.